To enable life, this most special of attributes, planet Earth has a number of ideal features. It is unique among planets in our solar system for having water in its liquid form at the surface, in an amount conducive to life evolving. The Earth is remarkable for its precisely tuned amount of water, not too much to cover the mountains, and not so little that it's a dry desert. As are Mars and Venus, our sister planets. Terraforming is the artificial transformation of other planets into places suitable for human habitation. What? Yes, we can potentially have human life on a planet such as Mars. Terraforming Mars would involve at least the following: artificial melting of the Martian polar caps and or the permafrost to produce liquid water and gaseous carbon dioxide. In the process, increasing the surface temperature of the planet, and artificial production of gases to rise atmospheric pressure and temperature to protect introduced life forms from UV radiation. Long-term effects on the human body can be very negative. Basically a lot of happening to create a suitable environment for humans to be able to breathe and not melt.
I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world!
Scientists believe that if they find out the answer to how Mars became a cold planet, then they could reverse what had happened. They are taking an approach of global warming to see if they could rise the temperature of the planet to see if it will sustain life. If they succeed with life in maintaining the temperature, maybe one day humans could possibly live there as well. This all won't be completed in decades, but the possibility is there. One day the Earth may overpopulate, or with too much pollution the atmosphere won't protect us. Mars is the closest to Earth in sustaining life, and if they succeed there could be a whole other world to travel to. While living on a terraformed planet sounds all scientific-y, and there would be a lot of hard work to live there, there are also plenty of time to cut loose and relax. Take gardening, for example. This wouldn't be your simple, run-of-the-mill garden you'd find in Granny's backyard. No. Instead, this would be food that the entire planet would be able to use and eat on. Imagine, you grew the food that the leader of the planet eats. But if gardening isn't your scene, perhaps you prefer something a little more flighty. If a terraformed planet had a low enough gravitational field, humans would be able to wear these squirrel suits, and essentially fly. Living on a planet that is remade into Earth will definitely be a lot of work, but at the end of the day, you could always go on flying among the stars. Now when people tell you how Mars began, you can tell them.
In the beginning, there was nothing. Nothing but the silence of an infinite darkness. But the breath of the Creator fluttered against the face of the void, whispering, "Let there be light." And light was. And it was good. The first day. And then the formless light began to take on substance and shape. The second day. And our world was born. Our beautiful, fragile home. And a great warming light nurtured its days. And a lesser light ruled the nights. And there was evening and morning, another day. And the waters of the world gathered together.